Basic operation of the Barber Sand Man. First of all, you're going to press in on your kill switch, press in on your clutch. There's a lever right behind your clutch for a stop. Engage that stop. Normally you would come over here and you would choke your machine, but since the machine has already been running once today for several hours, then we don't have to press the we don't have to choke it. But if you do have to choke it, if it's the first time during the day that you're running it, you would pull it all the way to the left. Since I've already choked it once today, I can just push it to the right. Next would be your gas. When the gas switch here is all the way to the left, then your gas is off. Press it all the way to the right, and that's going to engage your gas. And then next, put one foot on the machine. Grab your ripcord and pull to start the machine. Use your throttle here to increase the gas. After you've got the machine started, you have several different options to choose from. You have two speeds to go in. Press in your clutch and push all the way in for first gear, all the way towards yourself or out for your second gear. Your neutral gear is going to be in between. We're going to start it in first gear, so that's going to be all the way in. You have two direction speeds, a reverse and a forward. All the way in is going to be your reverse. All the way out or towards the operator is going to be your forward. We're going to go in the forward position, so I'm going to pull it all the way out towards the operator. And then the third option you have is your shaker. You have a shaker on and a shaker off. Shaker off is going to be all the way in towards the machine. Shaker on is going to be all the way towards the operator or all the way out. We're going to go with a shaker on, so we're going to go all the way out towards the operator. To begin the machine forward momentum, release your clutch while still engaging your kill switch. Now that we have the machine running, to control your speed, use your throttle. On our machine, the throttle, you do not have to keep pressing on it. Once you've pressed it down, it'll stay down until you press it off. For normal operations, you go half speed or halfway down towards the bottom. To start the machine cleaning, you have a spin wheel here. That's going to control your depth. Clockwise is going to go into the sand. To begin the cleaning process. Once you have sand and debris going your shaker engage. Release your left hand clutch. Thus disengaging your shaker. Lightly lift up on the machine to remove all sand. Lower back down. Engage your left hand clutch. Disengage your right hand shaker engage. Return your throttle to the idle position. Position the stop kill switch. Press on the kill switch, thus killing the machine. To empty the bucket, grab the handle on the top of the machine, pull up. The bucket can be removed from either side. Or you can go to this side and remove it. In this we have more sand just for demonstration purposes. You can either do one of two things. You can either empty the bucket in the in your trash bins, or the machine comes with two buckets that are attached to the front of the machine, where if you're far away from your disposal unit, then you could press it, place the material in the buckets, and then after both buckets are full, you can go to your dump and dispose of the material.